Before you keep running Amazon solo, watch this and save yourself from the pain of selling on Amazon. Now, you can see right here, this client made just within the last 9 months, $3 million on Amazon. And as you know, as a large business, it's the team that takes you to the next level. If you have a team, you have a good team that actually cares, they can help you get to this $1 million mark and help you generate a lot of profit. Not only will they be able to do that, but they can also help you with creating a checklist, because a checklist is super important. So when you're on vacation, you want to have a weekend, you want to relax for a day and focus on growing your business, you can have people on your team go through your account every day and solve everyday problems that happen on Amazon. This is how you get to the next level. You can see this daily checklist where they're reviewing your performance notifications, account health, issues under the account health tab, reviewing all emails from Amazon, making sure all of your listings are active, customer service messages, reviewing ads, just making sure there's no waste, stranded inventory, and any negative feedback on your account. Not only that, your team should also be doing a weekly checklist of auditing your sales performance. If something is going stray, instead of you not noticing it, you have your team that's doing it every time. Top selling product audit, negative product review audit, right? Now, sometimes as an owner, you don't like to look at your negative product reviews. Let's just be honest. If you have a team member doing it, they're unbiased, they're willing to look at it and say, look, we need to update this, we need to modify this, things like that, right? Infringement, inventory forecasting, lost inventory, profit margins. That's a good weekly checklist. And then, of course, monthly checklist is analyzing all of your refunds, competitor analysis, remeasure, reweigh, making sure Amazon's not overcharging you for FBA, catalog downloads, so you have backups, ASIN audits, profit audits, any bottlenecks, negative product review trends, and strategic planning. This should be done on a regular basis. This is how you can get to the next level, so you can focus on running your business instead of in the weeds of the business trying to solve problem after problem after problem. And that's definitely my recommendation. Not only that, you can have a fully trained Amazon ads team who's managing your ads just like we do for this client. You can see they spend $800, made $17,000 in return, 4.95, right? This is not your normal Amazon ad return, but it is possible. Anything is possible with this. So just keep that in mind. And don't forget about lost inventory, which happens all the time and is a pain in the butt. You'll miss it. When you send in units, let's say you send in 30 units to Amazon and Amazon says they only received 24. Where's the other 6? You want to get reimbursed for those lost units. So that way you're not losing money every time you send products into Amazon. So you should have a team member on this at all times, reviewing it, monitoring shipments, make sure they're all checked in. And right when it's closed, when it's not checked in, they should be the ones disputing it and getting you that reimbursement as quickly as possible. Don't forget about checking on competitors. They should be looking at your competitors and seeing how are your competitors getting ahead. For example, if you're selling a portable campfire, what are your competitors doing? Are they changing their first images? Which they are. They actually recently changed their first image. Are they changing their titles, their secondary image? Are they increasing their pricing, decreasing their pricing? Just kind of looking at competitors is going to help you be in line with what's going on with the competition sales, and what you can do to stay ahead. But that's pretty much it for today's video. If you go to our website, we'll give you a free listing audit and at least tell you what you need to do to improve your listing. Just fill out this form. We'll create a full spreadsheet right here and go through all of your top competitors, top improvements, what you can do right now to increase your sales. And it's completely free. It's great practice for us, and it's a win for you. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing increasing sales. Anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit is, like I said, you can start growing your business, focusing on the big problems while we're focusing on the everyday checklist and little problems that would add up to the big problems. And I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
Mhm.